Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. Now this week, we're going to be making a paper mache tray with wooden handles. Now this is a nice wooden desk accessory. Over the past weeks, I've given you some shredded paper craft ideas. You have learned how to make paper mache clay with newspaper and paper mache clay recipe. All of these that are considered cardboard mache tutorials are linked in the description box for you to watch at your leisure. Now enjoy this tutorial on how to make a tray from wasted paper, which is a 2-ingredient paper mache clay recipe. For the best DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY, crafts, and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. This week I want to make a tray. Now I did make this tray, but I want to put wood underneath it, and that's a whole process. But I have made these various trays. This one is from my daughter, made this one. And then I have this one, which is a more organic. It has holes, it's all cut. I really like it, I think it's cool. And then a more kind of, I don't know what this is called, but now what I want to do this week is I want to make a tray where I could possibly have handles, nice wooden handles that come up, and have the tray flat and have a little bit of a border. So we're gonna use this for the tray. Now to make your marble effect, you're gonna put all your paper mache together. And then you're just gonna pat it down. Remember, you wanted a certain thickness. Hey guys, so I changed my tray to a wooden, it's a wooden jewelry box, but I actually prefer this setting better. So all I'm gonna do is I put some saran wrap on it. I'm gonna flip it over and I put it on a glass cutting board so I can put it in the oven. And then I left a border around so that I'm able to add my width, and I'm just gonna put it on top the way that I did with the rest of them. So this one, I think I'm gonna do like a multi-color grain, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see with the way I design this. And why I'm doing it is because I wanna have a tray and I wanna have nice wooden handles on the sides. What I'm using today is almost the exact same paper mache. So I have one dry, one wet, and then 2 multiple colors. So I'm gonna take my colors, and this is the egg carton. I find the egg carton one to be really dry. I'm not sure why. Or it absorbs water more. And I'm gonna put my colors together with a little bit of the white and a little bit of the brown. And then I'm just gonna mix it together. To get this the level that you want, the same thing that we did with the weathered spheres, is you're just going to put it on, you're going to roll it. Comment down below if you would use this paper mache tray with the wooden handles as a home decor. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do this part here, and I want a nice thick border. So I'm going to mix the eggshell with the other color. I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to try and measure out how thick I want my border. Now the reason why I have the glass is so that I'm able to lift it up and see if I have the same gauge all the way around. But I want the border to be thick. Try and do it the same way. Also with your corners, I like miter up my corners and then make them really sharp. And then we'll square this up after, and then we're going to also roll roll it down again, because you see right here, I don't know if you can see that, it has a little bit of an indent, so we want to mix the colors, but we'll do that part later. So let's just do our border, make sure everything's squared up, and then go from there. Guys, I've finished my tray. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you how I put that, but all you're going to do is essentially measure your wood pieces for how wide you want it, and then make sure that you miter the corners. That's what I did. And then I want to put these handles, maybe these handles, or wooden handles, like here. I want to put the handles here. You'll see in the reveal if I actually do it, I'm not sure. Now that you know how to make the paper mache tray with wooden handles, I have written a guideline on different designing platforms to help you get that creative juice out of your head and onto a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand the platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, don't forget that I do have my Facebook page where we will be uploading and sharing different DIY creative crafts and home decor. Check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on paper mache fierce weathered stone and paper mache fierce learn how to weather a stone, and my upcoming video on paper mache plates. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends and family.